Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Kyle and today I'll be checking in on Theta as it continues to consolidate. Is Theta building a case for some higher price levels in the coming month? Let's get into the video. And starting off nice and simple here on Coinbase, we have Theta up on a 24-hour line chart. And Theta is up 0.37% on the day, at least at the time of recording. And this line chart is pretty much sideways for the most part. A little bit of a dip here, seemingly finding its footing, but we'll take a closer look at that in TradingView later in this video. On the weekly, Theta is down at 12.66%. On the monthly, still up 170%. Of course, on the yearly, that insane up 14,539%. Down here, the 24-hour volume has continued to taper off a bit here, down at 281.5 million and leaving the market cap at 11.7 billion. And quickly zipping over to CoinMarketCap, we see that Theta is hanging on to rank 12 and is currently trading at $11.75. Jumping on to ThetaToken.org, we see that the mainnet 3.0 is coming in 86 days and 6 hours. Tick-tock. And down below here, we see hot off the press, Cinedigm integrates Theta Network to launch exclusive Theta-powered channels on contv.com. And if you want a closer look at that, you can come over here to cinedigm.com/press. I'll link it in the description down below. And you can see it right up here from April 1st, 2021. Cinedigm integrates Theta Network to launch exclusive Theta-powered channels on contv.com. Very cool. Come on over here, give this a good read through, check it out. Very interesting stuff in here. And here we have Theta up on a daily chart in TradingView. Starting off with the price action, I see that Theta just continues to consolidate, which is not unusual after a beautiful move to the upside. If anything, I view this as healthy and constructive, as I do like to see assets take a bit of a breather after making these big giant moves to the upside. As of right now, Theta is holding itself up very, very well, consolidating at a high level below this purple box liquid zone. And overall, at this time, I do view this as a testimony to the strength of this asset. I see that we've gotten a daily candle body closure below that 10 simple moving average, which is the first time in quite some time. Looking left, we can see a daily candle body closure here, and that did initiate a test of the 21 and ultimately down to the 30, noted by these three wicks right here. The 21 exponential moving average is coming in at around $10.68 and still has a positive slope to the upside, so will likely rise up even more, assuming that the candle bodies can continue to close at these levels. At the very least, we do see how the 10 simple moving average at the time of recording has served as resistance on this wick here and this one as well. So I'm going to want to see Theta get back up above that 10 over time. If it can get daily candle body closures above the 10, which is coming in at around $12.11, then likely it'll initiate another test of this purple box liquid zone that has a bottom side coming in at approximately $13 and a top side coming in around $15. Getting daily candle body closures above the top side of that liquid zone followed by candle body open, so confirming it as future support, then I think Theta will be signaling to us that it's ready for another pretty big leg to the upside. If Theta closes any daily candle bodies below this horizontal at $11.19, as well as this 21 living just down below it, then I think it could potentially initiate a test of that 30, which is coming in down at $9.54. But judging by the very aggressive slope of the 30 simple moving average, it will rise very, very quickly with these candle bodies closing up around these regions here. Dropping down below to the RSI. The RSI looks to be trying to find its footing in the neutral zone, pretty stretched away from the exponential moving average at this point in time. This trend line that we added to the chart on the last video will be interesting because if the RSI is able to get down and around there, perhaps we have a trend line in play here, and perhaps the RSI can find its footing upon that line. Down below at the stochastics, momentum still down, and they are coming into contact with the edge of the bearish control zone. So it's also going to be interesting to see how the stochastics respond to that area as well. But as of right now, pressure down from the stochastics. And on the MACD, they are straight down, and the histogram continues to print a fairly good sized bar of negative momentum here. But overall, the oscillators are looking like a bullish reset, assuming price structure can stay up at these levels. I mean, price structure for me first, oscillators are icing on the cake. I look for confluence between those and the price structures, especially at very notable breaks of price structures, so such as taking out a liquid zone such as this right here. But right now, this is looking like very healthy consolidation. I do like how the oscillators are cooling off, and they're doing so on a daily chart, which is very nice to see for Theta. So yeah, at the end of the day, my condition remains the same. I don't care when it happens. I'm just looking for those daily candle body closures above that $15 mark. And then I think it's going to be game on to the upside when that time comes. Anyways, hope you guys are doing well out there. Thanks for coming by and checking out this video. Looking forward to seeing the next one. And until I do, have yourselves a powerful day.